Start.
Good morning, dear students. I am Puneet Kumar from Gronda, working as assistant professor in RPIT College. Today we discuss in this video how to calculate the transportation cost by the Vogel approximation method. Here there are 4 destinations and 3 factory are given, and we are also given supply and demand. First of all, we check there is a balance or unbalance. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 7 15, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 4 15. There is a balance, means there is no unbalance. Now we calculate the transportation cost by the Vogel approximation method. In this Vogel approximation method, first of all we calculate the unit penalty every row and every column. Unit penalty means we taking the difference between two minimum element and put in the front of that row or column. When we check in the first row, the minimum two element, that is 3 and 6, the difference is 3. In the second row, 1 and 3, the difference is 2. In the fourth row, the 4 and 5, the difference is 1. Now same process in the column wise. The first column 1 and 7, the difference is 6. In the second 6 and 4, the difference is 2. In third column 3 and 5, the difference is 2. And in the fourth column 3 and 6, the difference is 3. Now we select the maximum value from the unit penalty 1. Here the maximum value, that is 6. We circle that value, and this is the front of destination first, and from the destination first we select the minimum element, minimum cost, that is 1, and we put the supply and demand. Here supply is 5 and demand is 3, when we are only given 3 value because this is the minimum, and delete the first column because the demand of first column, the destination of first column, that is already clear. Now we calculate the unit penalty 2. This is the delete, the difference is 2, 2, 3. Here 3 and 6, the difference is 3. 3 and 6, the difference is 3. 4 and 5, the difference is 1. Now we select the maximum value from the unit penalty 2. Here there is a tie because 3 are given 3 times. When we consider this 3, the minimum element, that is 3. When this consider the minimum element 3, and when take this value, the minimum element already 3. But here we select that value where we maximum allocate, because here supply is 5 and we are already given 3 value, only 2 balancing are only 2 supply we are given. When we consider this 3, the minimum element, that is 3, and supply is 3 and demand is 6, we consider that is 3. The maximum allocation, that is 3. That's why we select this value. Here supply is 3 and demand is 6, and delete the first row. Now next process, unit penalty 3. Here the minimum two element, that is 6 and 3, the difference is 3. 4 and 5, difference is 1. Here 4 and 6, 2, 7, 5, 2, 3, 6, 3. The maximum allocation, that is 3 and 3. When we select this is the minimum element. When we select this is the minimum element. Now we are already given 3 from the supply, the balance is 2. We are given only 2, and delete this row. We are left only single row, that's why we are considering directly supply and demand. Here when we select this value, the demand is 2 and supply is 7. 2 plus 3 plus 5 7. This is the complete procedure, and these cells are known as occupied cell. Now we calculate the transportation cost. 3 into 3, 1 into 3, 3 into 2, 4 into 2, plus 5 into 3, plus 6 into 2, 9 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 15 plus 12. 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 8 26, 26 plus 5 31, 31 plus 10 41, 41 plus 2 43, 43 plus 10 53. This is the transportation cost by the Vogel approximation method in the transportation problem. Okay students, thank you so much.